Hi, I'm Mitchell Kitroser. I'm the founding member of Kitroser Associates. We're a law practice dedicated to families' needs. We handle estates and trusts and guardianships, special needs planning, personal real estate purchases and sales, small corporations, creation, and assisting people.
What does an elder care attorney do?
An elder care attorney is an attorney who is focusing their practice to some degree, and there's overlap and there's things that have to interlock, but to some degree on the needs of people who are getting older. Typically when people think about an elder care attorney, they're thinking about somebody who can help them with something called Medicaid planning, which involves planning for a loved one who might need nursing home care or living in an assisted living facility, and structuring of assets in a way where government benefits can supplement or in some cases replace the need for personal assets to pay for the cost of that care. But it's really broader than that. It's really an understanding of not only how to structure assets and make plans for the placement of assets, it's also an overarching look at what the family's needs are. Not just the person for whom you're planning for Medicaid, but also the rest of the family and how all of that interlaces together.
How important is it for people to have all the important documents in place in case something happens?
There's a lot of different documents and it depends on what the family needs. But basic documents, the first two primary documents are a durable power of attorney and a healthcare surrogate appointment. And with a healthcare surrogate should be a HIPAA waiver. Those two are basic emergency planning documents in the event somebody gets sick or hurt and can't manage their own affairs. That avoids the need for paying some lawyer a lot of money to go into court and set up a guardianship. It also means a seamless transition for somebody who's in need, who's in an emergency situation. The rest of a good estate plan can include a living will, possibly trusts depending on the needs of the client, certainly a last will and testament, possibly a DNR depending on the person's age and health, and any variety of revocable and irrevocable trusts, again depending on the family's unique needs.
What do you do when helping your clients meet their goals when creating end-of-life documents?
The first thing I do is I listen, and the second thing I do is I ask questions, because I want to know what my clients need before I can really give them advice on what they should use. Any client can go to an office supply store and buy a will maker program for $40 or $50 that has all the documents, and they're decent documents. There's nothing wrong with them. They're going to be legally effective. But that's not why you go to a lawyer. You go to a lawyer because you need somebody to talk to you. You need somebody to ask you questions. You need somebody to understand your family. You need somebody to say, okay, well, you have a special needs child. Here are the things that you need to think about in planning 2 generations out for your special needs child. Happy Healthcare Decision Day.